So, dito tayo ngayon sa Alapao. And, mafag ang paligid, look. Hindi ma-justify ng camera eh. You know. Pero, foggy. So, hindi tayo naka-walk ng naka-run, sorry. Kahapon. Noong Saturday, nag-workout lang, home workout. And then, Sunday, which is kahapon, hindi tayo nakatakbo. Kasi nilagnat ako ng Saturday afternoon. Siguro dahil sa takbo ko ng Friday or nagpaambon ako. Mas maganda pala yung diretsong ulan na kasi yung ambon-ambon. Sobrang lala nung sipon ko na nilagnat ako. So, naka-recover naman ako ng Sunday morning. Konting sipon na lang. Feeling ko kaya ko. Pero, nung nagpaalam ako kay Den, husband ko, wag na daw. Baka binat ako. So, today's Monday and holiday. Walang work. Balik tayo sa running. Pero, ang training ngayon ay, as per Joyce, kakachat lang niya kagabi, ay 2 kilometers walk, 3 kilometers run. Grabe oh, may bakas pa ng severe sipon, kumaga yung mata ko. And first time ko sa ruta na to dito sa Alapao. Ito yung route na ayaw ipatry ng husband ko sa akin pag madilim na madilim. So since aga na, sabi niya sa akin magpa-araw daw ng konti. And thankful tayo kasi hindi masyadong maaraw. May sipon pa ako, iba yung boses ko. So, join me kasi marami tayong makikita magandang view along the way. Yung Perlasan Silang, tsaka yung Aquila Crystal Palace, Tagaytay. Pero hindi naman ito Tagaytay, ha? Ay, makikita nyo rin kung saan kinasasing may Zainab Harake. Okay? Again, 2 kilometer walk and 3 kilometers run. Hi guys, one main reason kung bakit ayaw ako ilagay dito para walk ni Den dito is sorry, itong doggies, daming stray dogs na napakatatapang. So sana hindi tayo tahulan today. Good morning. Okay. Hindi tayo nahabol ng aso. Anong strategy nyo? Para hindi kayo habulin ng aso. Ako, simula bata, tinuro sa akin. Tapos, na-adapt ko siya hanggang ngayon. Yung naka-close yung mouth, pero kinakagat yung dila ko. Tapos, diretso lang tingin. Don't make an eye with them. Find it effective kasi never pa naman ako nakakat ng aso. Since kinuha ko yun. Okay, so 0.24 kilometers na. Masarap pala itong training na to, no? Kailangan pala nagpapaawa tayo ng konti kay Joyce na nilagnat tayo. Pero totoo naman. Pero okay lang. Listen to our body. Hindi dapat ganap na ganap. Grabe oh. Foggy, pakita ko sa inyo. Hindi lang talaga dyan ma-justify ng camera. Pero, foggy. Grabe. Grabe. So, yan. This is one of the resort here nearby in our place. It's delight. Guys, look how foggy it is. Shout out sa asawa ko. Kasama sana kita today. Pero tulog ka. Ito yung Aquila de Tagaytay na sinasabi ko. So, super fog lang. So, hindi nyo makita yung palace. Pero dyan kinasal si Zainab Harake and Roy Parks. Kung walang fog, makikita nyo yung White Castle sa loob. Ayan, pero hindi. Maybe next time, guys. So, ito naman yung Perlas ng Silang. And Perlas ng Silang, landscape siya ng mga halaman na Instagrammable. Every weekends, marami ring tao dito. Yeah, so doon, I can see their shadow of a dog. Okay. Happy.
Time 15 minutes 33 seconds.
1 kilometer. 15 minutes. Forward na forward yung dog. Last one and then we're going to run. Foggers! Here's the Puimaro na furnace. But then 3 kilometers lang yung magiging run. So feeling ko hindi pa siya makakaikot on my way back to our house. So i-walk na lang din natin yung the rest of the distance. Not unless mapagod tayo at magpasundo sa husband. Nakarin na lang natin, ah. Game. 2 kilometers na. Let's run the rest 3 kilometers. This is our view. All the way. Let's go.
Leg.
Pero uphill. Hey guys. Dami aso. Boko. Good morning, cow. Cow. Good morning. Plata. May aso na naman po. Titigil tayo ng bahagya. We don't know what his behavior is. Okay naman, sige. Dito sila sa likod ko. they're planning. Oh, Yossi. Okay. Kita niyo yan. Nakikita niyo ba yan? My God! Uphill yan, guys! Again, hindi lang ulit nabibigyan ng justification. Wala na, tumigil siya. Push natin. Oh my God! Okay. Man. Ano? It's 5.89. We're at 6. Right uphill. Okay. Nasa, wait. Sasakyan. made a total of we had a total of 6 kilometers. 2 kilometers rain walk, and the last 2 kilometers is jogging, and the in between 2 kilometers is a mixture of run and walk because of dogs. There along the barangay road kasi kunti na lang yung dog. Ayan. Walking way back home. Time check, it's 7:16. I don't know exactly what time we started, but nakita ko sa Strava we've done the exercise for 1 hour 6 minutes. I guess not bad siya, but at least we showed up kahit may sipon pa. Thank you for running with me. I don't feel alone. Even literally, I'm alone. I feel like may kausap ako. So kahit walang manood, it's okay. So, madami na yung sasakyan na dumadaan dito because it's either they're working in Perlas and Tagaytay or they're tourists who just want to see the Perlas and Silang. Sorry. Bye!